Hi, my name is Mark from HotD. I've made this video for you today to answer a question we get asked quite a lot. Will a hair replacement system just fly off, come off? And the simple answer to that is no. Um, the system will become slightly detached over a period of time as the glue kind of starts to break down. How we fix the system, that is talked about in some other videos that I've made. But there isn't any point where you should just be walking down the street or on a roller coaster even, or a push bike, and the system will just fly off down the road. That doesn't happen. If you're not looking after it and maintaining it properly, what will probably happen is you'll wake up one morning and it would have like just moved slightly. And at that point, I think we need to look at it and say, okay, we're going to need to take that off and do a maintenance cycle and re-glue the system on. If you're just going to leave that, then there is a possibility that something could happen, an accident. But that really is only if you've left the system or you've not glued it on properly in the first place. But we provide all training for that, for you to carry out the maintenance cycles, or we offer maintenance services within the salon. I hope that's answered that question for you. If you've got any other questions, then please contact us via our Facebook page, or you can email us at info@hot-d.co.uk, and I'll be happy to answer any other questions you might have. Thanks very much for watching.